With the successful test flight of unmanned flying cars, the term low-altitude economy has been gaining traction, becoming a buzzword in the capital market. 2024 is even being hailed as the inaugural year for the implementation of the low-altitude industry, a development that could potentially reshape the trajectory of China's economic future. So, what exactly is the trending low-altitude economy, and how will it impact our daily lives? Today, let's take 5 minutes to explore the future potential of the low-altitude economy. What is the low-altitude economy? The so-called low-altitude economy refers to the economic model operating within the low-altitude airspace, which is defined as being below 1,000 meters in vertical height. It leverages unmanned or manned aerial vehicles to transport people and goods, enhancing social and economic efficiency while driving the integration and development of related industries. Since low-altitude economy was first included in China's national planning in 2021, provinces like Guangdong and Hainan have taken the lead in piloting its development. Meanwhile, Jiangsu, Zhejiang, Shanghai, and 31 other provinces and municipalities have also issued related policies. In short, apart from a few regions, the entire country is racing to seize opportunities in this emerging sector. The booming low-altitude economy is driven by its 4 key advantages. Extensive industry chain, from research and development to manufacturing, infrastructure construction, and service support. It spans multiple sectors, driving growth across the entire supply chain. Diverse business models. Whether for industrial logistics or tourism and leisure, there are suitable low-altitude application scenarios for every need. Broad applications. From agricultural protection and medical rescue to inspection operations, the low-altitude economy covers all aspects of production and daily life. Huge market potential. The market size is expected to exceed trillions in the future, becoming a new engine for economic growth. How will the low-altitude economy change our lives? The rise of the low-altitude economy introduces a new aerial scene to our daily lives. Imagine this. In addition to ground transportation and underground subways, we can now travel, tour, and shop in the air below 1,000 meters. Here's an example. In March this year, a successful test flight of an unmanned aerial taxi was conducted from Shenzhen to Zhuhai. A journey that used to take 3 hours now takes only 20 minutes. This is not just a revolution in transportation, but a significant leap in efficiency. In the logistics sector, drones delivering food can now complete a 1-hour journey in just minutes. In the Huangshan scenic area, drones transport 15 to 20 tons of supplies daily, solving the challenges of mountainous terrain transportation. In agriculture, drones are used for pesticide spraying, pest detection, crop growth monitoring, and irrigation management, greatly enhancing agricultural efficiency. In healthcare, drones reduce rescue times, delivering emergency supplies faster to remote areas. For inspection operations, drones efficiently gather low-altitude data, significantly improving inspection efficiency. In short, the low-altitude economy not only makes life more convenient, but also drives a remarkable leap in productivity. Although Western countries started earlier in the low-altitude economy sector, China has been rapidly catching up in recent years. Globally, the only company capable of commercial passenger operations with electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft is China's Yihang Intelligence, which secured the world's first airworthiness certificate. This milestone marks China's technological strength in the drone industry, placing it at the forefront of global innovation. Unlocking the full potential of the low-altitude economy policy support and regulatory development are crucial for its true takeoff. Recently, the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, along with 3 other departments, issued the implementation plan for the innovative application of general aviation equipment. It outlines that by 2030, general aviation equipment will be fully integrated into production and daily life, creating a trillion yuan market. This vast market potential has already attracted automotive giants like Geely, XPeng, Volkswagen, and GAC to enter the competition for this emerging blue ocean market. Although China's low-altitude economy is still in its early stages, companies are experiencing rapid growth and demonstrating limitless potential. In the near future, catching an aerial taxi might no longer be a scene from science fiction, but a part of everyday life. The low-altitude economy represents not only technological progress, but a revolution in productivity. How will it transform our lives? Which sector are you most excited to see low-altitude advancements in? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's witness the soaring future of the low-altitude economy together.